Hi, I'm Ben Glazer from Compass. Today I'm excited to show you a newly renovated townhome in the heart of West Chelsea. Directly across the street from Clement Clark Park, 1 block from the High Line. Built in the early 1900s, this home just completed an extensive 2.5-year renovation to be brought up to modern times. I'm excited to show you around. Come take a look. Have you ever walked into a home and just felt this would be the perfect place to live? Well, this is it. With extraordinary attention to detail, this home is quite literally perfect. And it starts with this kitchen. No expense was spared. Handcrafted in the UK with beautiful marble countertops. Even the hood is hidden behind all of this brass. Obviously built for entertaining, this parlor floor is perfect for large gatherings or intimate dinner parties. It has high ceilings and an open concept floor plan. This dining room has plenty of space to entertain your guests and to store your fine china, and has been positioned to take in this beautiful view. Natural light is a theme throughout this home. There's even a skylight that illuminates the grand staircase. This living room has 22-foot ceilings, is flooded with natural light, and has direct access to the garden. Though brought up to modern times, this home still has a nod to its architectural history with this beautiful mantel. The fireplace is the focal point of the living room, making it a great place to unwind after a long day. In fact, almost every room has a beautiful fireplace. You come off the stairwell to a sitting room that overlooks your living room. This whole floor is a flexible space. But now it's configured as a home office plus. And what better place to do work than overlooking this West Chelsea historic block facing the park? And luckily, during the renovation, they added in these incredible oversized windows. But you still feel the original charm of this home with the high ceilings and beautiful mantelpiece. And this floor was imagined as the children's floor with split bedrooms and a fun bathroom. And the natural light throughout the home really keeps you in a good mood all day. And now, a floor for the adults, because the primary suite occupies the whole top floor. Again, in the bedroom, you have this incredible southern light, oversized and serene, with original details and modern touches. And quite frankly, any furnishings look beautiful in this space, as would any person. I'm in love with the stone in this primary bathroom. The tub is clad in Amazonia stone, Belgian bluestone vanity, another marble fireplace, but the shower is the true highlight of this space. And when I say highlight, I really mean skylight. They actually added one in the shower. I left the private garden for last because it's just so nice. Clad in basaltina tile and bluestone throughout. It's large enough to host a bar mitzvah, but intimate enough for dinner for 2. Thank you for taking the time to tour 483 West 22nd Street with me, a lovely townhome in the heart of West Chelsea. I'll see you on the next one.
Hey guys, like what you see? Then hit subscribe so you know when we post new content. I will see you on Open House.